Hi, to extend RAM on your Xiaomi 13, as a first step, let's check current RAM. For that, I'm gonna go in the settings, then about phone tab, and after that select detailed info and specs, and now we can see the amount of RAM. So we got 8 GB plus 4 GB. And now if you want to extend RAM, you would need to go back in the previous setting. Here, scroll to the additional settings, and now just find this memory extension feature. I misclicked, so let's go back here and tap on the memory extension. We got 4 options. We can disable memory extension, we can leave 4 GB, we can switch to 6 or 8 GB. I'm reminding you that now I got 8 GB of memory, so we can extend it by 4, 6 or 8 GB. We can select 8 for example, and now we'll have 16 GB of RAM. If you want to do this, you will need to reboot your device if you want to switch to any other option from the list. So it will turn off, and after that turn on, and you'll be able to use it like you would normally do. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.